Hello guys, get ready because in this video I am going to show you how to use gestures navigation bar in Narzo 80 Lite. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I am showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option system and update. Now click on it, and then here you can see the system navigation. Now click on it. Now here you can select buttons and gestures. If you select gestures, then here you can use gestures like that. And here you can select buttons. Here you can select your buttons layout. So this is the way to use gestures navigation bar in Narzo 80 Lite. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.